All right, you guys, look at this. Now, I went down the clearance aisle and I found, this is the first thing I seen. This is the cutest thing, and I'm a sucker for blankets, pillows, and laundry baskets or hampers. This is plan to wash. Look at that, plan to wash. These are super cute and they're really tall, you guys. I got these out of the cart, but these are super tall. Let me show you the inside. Can you take that out? Just, yeah, okay, Manny's gonna go ahead and take it out. All right, you guys, this is what the inside, wait, can you take that out? All right, you guys, this is what the inside looks like. Look at that. This thing is huge. All right, I was thinking about taking the Pioneer Woman hampers I found on clearance and using those, but I'm gonna go ahead and sell those because I can get way more money, and I'm gonna go ahead and use these for my house. These are super cute. I love the color. I have kids, so these won't get as dirty as if it was a lighter color. Again, here's the inside. These are super cute, you guys. And let me show you this. All right, so this is Mainstays. So you guys need to look out for this and look out for the Mainstays. This is a jumbo canvas hamper, you guys. 18-inch by 24-inch. There's the size. And again, it's a jumbo canvas hamper. Here's the UPC. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's not too blurry. And the color is called Blue Cove. All right, and look at this, you guys. Only $5. $5. You guys, I told you my nails work. This color nails brings me all the clearance from Walmart. These are super cute. I end up finding 5 of them, but I think I'm only gonna get 4. I don't know, only $5. I don't know how many I'm gonna get. Manny, how many should I get?
If you're gonna get 4, you might as well get 5.
Yeah, I might as well get 5. All right. I wash a lot of clothes, you guys. I'm washing like on a daily basis. We got so many people in the house, so these will work out perfect. Again, this is what you guys are gonna be looking for. Plan to wash, super cute. There's the inside, and let me show you the handles too. Look at the handles. These are super cute and they're strong, you guys. Look at that. Super nice. For it to be Mainstays, super nice, you guys. So next time you guys are at Walmart, look out for these jumbo Mainstays canvas hampers. They're only $5. Boom, boom, and boom, and boom in your face because I found these.
I'm winning.
Manny thinks he's winning, you guys. Who do you guys think won? Manny or Angel? Let us know below. All right, you guys, up next, I don't know, we keep finding all these kitchen utensils, but this is Mainstays, and it's just like a regular spoon, a big spoon that you guys can use. It went down from 97 cents down to 50, which is not that bad, but you guys, we get these all the time from the Dollar Tree, and these are more sturdy and they're not as cheap as the Dollar Tree. So if you guys need some of these, they're only 50 cents. You can't go wrong. Instead of you guys getting one at the Dollar Tree, you guys can actually get 2 here. And here's the UPC for the spoon. And can you give me the other one? Thank you. All right, up next, I have no clue what this is. I'm not even going to try. It looks like a spoon fork. It looks like a jellyfish. I don't know. I'm just like guessing.
Spaghetti noodle guy.
Is it for spaghetti? Okay, I cook spaghetti. I might need this one. All right, so it doesn't have a tag. How come this one don't have a tag? No, it doesn't have a UPC. Okay, I'm so sorry, you guys. This one does not have a UPC, but if you see this in your clearance,
you can scan that.
Yeah. Okay, hopefully you guys can scan this right here. But you guys can see the price of 50 cents. It was $2.72 down to 50 cents. And you know what? I was just going to throw this back, but I'm actually going to get this because Manny said it's for noodles. Is it? Or are you just guessing?
You know, the funny part, or the bad part is, we already have that.
Oh, we already have one of these? I've never seen this. Maybe because I don't cook. All right, so I use a regular spoon when I'm cooking my noodles. But I'm going to get this because I don't believe that we already have one because I've never seen this. But if you guys are looking for this, hopefully you guys can scan it by this. And it's only 50 cents. Boom. And also, I want to let you know, I got my nails this color because I thought it was lucky because it's the same color as these little yellow tags at Walmart. So hopefully we'll find more clearance with my lucky nails. What do you think?
That's what you're going with?
Yeah, because my nails look like the clearance tags, don't they?
Yeah, we're gonna find one.
I've been finding a lot of clearance since I got my nails done. Manny over here hating, you guys. Manny's hating. All right, off to the next item. All right, you guys, up next. Now I know what this is. This is a strainer. And I've been using the same strainer because I'm so cheap for the past 3 years. And my strainer is beat up. I definitely need another one. But this is a nice one, you guys. It's not cheap. It's nice. It's heavy. It's all white. And I'm actually going to get 2 of these. It is Kitchenaid. All right. And it says 5 quart. Oh, this one has a lifetime warranty. All right. Lifetime limited warranty. Here's the UPC. And look at this, you guys. Boom. $4. $4. It was $12.97 down to $4 only on Angel on the Go. Look at how nice this is. You guys, I'm about to be cooking up a storm. Oh, look, I got this. I got this for my spaghetti when I drain it. And then now I got this for the noodles. Right? Mm-hmm. All right, there you go. $4.50 for this whole set right here. So I got this one, and I also got this one. So in case one of these break, I got 2 of them now. Only on Angel on the Go. And again, the name is Kitchenaid, and it's only $4. Let me know below if you guys score these. We are scoring a ton of kitchen items. Good luck.